Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best laundry hamper on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing, before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. OIAHOMY Laundry Hamper. The OIAHOMY Laundry Hamper is an essential part of every family. It can keep your room tidy and clean. It comes with a top cover, which can keep your clean clothes or other stuff from getting dirty. This stylish laundry basket is the ideal companion for any home. It's not just for laundry, you can use it for blankets, pillows, toys, and many other uses. The collapsible hampers are ultra lightweight and keep things more organized, neat and tidy. The folds down flat for easy storage. The thick handles make this hamper easy to carry. It will be a great addition to any home and can be used as storage for any room in the house. It comes in yellow color with variegated pattern. In addition to laundry, you can use it to store stuff like toys, pillows, clothes, etc. It is spacious enough to store all your stuff. Number 4. Twira Laundry Hamper. Twira Laundry Hamper is 27.5x large laundry basket with removable wash bag on wheels. Basket rolls easily on 4 wheels. Collapsible slim laundry hamper helps store in small spaces, light and durable. Wash bag with zipper closure to safely store your laundry and keep away from dust, dirt and insects. Wash bag is removable. Available in 4 color combination: black, blue, gray, pink. This laundry basket with removable wash bag on wheels is the perfect large capacity laundry hamper. The large 27.5x 15.5x 12.7 laundry basket is made of polyester fabric with rugged polypropylene fittings and plastic ball bearing wheels. The wash bag is made of polyester mesh. The Modway laundry basket is great for dorms, apartments, homes and offices, giving you a clean, neat and practical storage system for dirty clothing. Number 3. Docahum Laundry Hamper. The Docahum Laundry Hamper is the best laundry bin for your living room, bedroom, dorm room or office. They're collapsible and can be easily transported between rooms. These laundry bins are easy to use and most importantly, they are easy to clean. The dual zippers make it easy to separate the dirty clothes from the clean ones. The outer fabric is made of high-density polyester, which is waterproof, dirt-proof and can be easily cleaned with a damp cloth. The inner is made of high-density polyester and can be easily removed for cleaning. The laundry bin can be folded flat when not in use and has a carry handle for portability. With the 2 handles, the laundry hamper can be easily carried when full of dirty clothes. There's a convenient carrying strap on the top of the hamper to make it easy to carry when full. These laundry baskets are a must-have for your dorm room or apartment. They're perfect for students because they're super easy to clean. Since they're collapsible, these laundry hampers don't take up a lot of space. You can store them when not in use. These laundry hampers can be easily transported from room to room. Number 2. HomeHacks Laundry Hamper. The HomeHacks 2-pack large laundry hamper is a large capacity laundry hamper, perfect for dorm rooms or small apartments. The folding laundry bin has a large capacity of 75 liters, easily holding 60 to 80 pieces of clothing. It is collapsible, allowing the laundry hamper to be put away when not in use. The laundry hamper is waterproof with a PVC bottom that prevents any liquid damage and holds a large amount of clothing. It is easy to carry with the portable handholds located on the sides of the laundry hamper for carrying, and the large size fits into most closets. The HomeHacks laundry hamper is 75 liters, which is roughly the amount of clothing you would wash at a time. This hamper is in the shape of a basket, allowing it to be freestanding or folded to save space. The fabric comes with a waterproof coating, which also makes it stain resistant. This hamper is collapsible as well as sturdy, which means it can hold a lot of clothes. The handles are extended, which allows it to hold heavy loads. Number 1. Lifewit Laundry Hamper. Lifewit Laundry Hamper is a laundry basket that provides premium quality, durability, and performance all at the same time. It features a space-saving design that can help maximize storage space at home or when traveling. This collapsible hamper comes with 2 dividers that allow users to separate clean clothes from dirty clothes or color code them by using the laundry bags. Additionally, the hamper has a lid to hide the messy clothes. The hamper is also machine washable and can be easily carried around. It is easy to handle, lightweight and folds flat when not in use. It is the perfect size for laundry room, dorm room and bathroom. This laundry hamper is perfect for those who hate dirty clothes piled up on the floor. It's perfect for your bedroom, laundry room, bathroom, office, dorm and any other space in need of a convenient and practical solution for managing the piles of clothes you take out of your closet each day. This collapsible laundry hamper holds up to 50 L of clothes and features removable laundry bags to keep them contained and separated. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.